For decades, one half of the moon remained completely unexplored, not because we couldn't see it, but because we couldn't reach it. The far side of the moon never faces Earth. No direct communication, no real-time control, just silence. Until 2019. That's when China landed a spacecraft where no one had ever landed before. The moon's dark side. But what they found there wasn't aliens. It was something far more important. First, a quick clarification. The dark side of the moon isn't permanently dark. It gets sunlight just like the near side. The real difference is visibility. Because the moon is tightly locked, we always see the same face from Earth. The far side remained hidden from human eyes until 1959, when the Soviet Lunar 3 probe sent back the first blurry images. And what scientists saw surprised them. The far side looks completely different. Fewer flat plains, more craters, thicker crust. It's rougher, older, and far less understood. Landing on the far side is incredibly difficult. Why? Because there's no direct line of communication with Earth. NASA avoided it for decades. The Soviets avoided it. Everyone did. A spacecraft on the far side can't talk to Earth unless you place a relay. Satellite perfectly behind the moon at a stable gravitational point. Miss that step and the mission is over. China decided to try anyway. In January 2019, China launched Zhengzhou-4. But here's the clever part. Before landing, they placed a relay satellite called quietest at a special point in space, the Earth-Moon L2 Lagrange point. That satellite became the mission's lifeline. Zhengzhou-4 successfully landed inside Von Karman crater, one of the oldest and deepest impact basins in the solar system. For the first time in history, humanity had wheels on the moon's far side. First, geology. The soil was different. Scientists detected materials from deep beneath the moon's surface, likely thrown up by ancient asteroid impacts. This gave researchers a rare look into the moon's internal structure, something the near side can't easily provide. Second, temperature extremes. The far side gets colder at night than expected. This affects future human missions and long-term bases. But the most exciting discovery wasn't rocks, it was silence. Zhengzhou-4 carried an experiment called the Netherlands-China Low-Frequency Explorer. Its goal? To listen. The far side of the moon is shielded from Earth's radio noise. No satellites, no TV signals, no interference. It's the quietest place near our planet. This makes it perfect for radio astronomy, especially for studying the early universe, signals from the time before the first stars even formed. In other words, the moon's far side could become humanity's greatest cosmic listening post. This mission wasn't just about China. It changed lunar exploration forever. It proved the far side is accessible. Long-term communication is possible. Scientific value there may exceed the near side. Future missions could include massive radio telescopes, lunar research bases, and stepping stones to Mars. The moon is no longer just a destination. It's infrastructure. China didn't find aliens on the moon's dark side. They found something more powerful, a new frontier, one that had been hidden in plain sight for billions of years, waiting for someone brave enough to listen. And now that we can, the real discoveries may be just beginning.